This is Vic from Happy Leaf, and today I would like to talk about all the different types of things that you can grow in the winter, all year long for that matter. So the first things that we started growing were leafy greens. So things like lettuces, herbs, bok choy, cilantro. We started by growing them in potting mixes, and then over the years we figured out a much better way and a simpler way, and we call them Kratky jars. So we're using, basically it's a passive hydroponic system that was developed by Bernie Kratky at the University of Hawaii. So all of these lettuces, there's literally hundreds of varieties of lettuces can be grown indoors. There's dozens and dozens of herbs. For those of you that enjoy using herbs for cooking, this is a really simple way to grow. And then the other is how to grow microgreens. Microgreens are highly nutritious. They grow very fast. There's dozens of varieties of microgreens that can be grown indoors. And we also do that in a passive hydroponic method. But we use a tray that has 3 parts to it. You put the seeds in there with some nutrient water, and in most cases, within 10 to 12 days, you're eating very nutritious microgreens. The third method is where you use what's called self-watering pots. So there you can grow a variety of root plants. So things like carrots, beets, radishes, turnips. And then also we grow our tomatoes, eggplant, and spinach. Actually, spinach and kale are the other 2 that grow really well and very quickly. And we do those in a mixture of coconut coir and vermiculite in self-watering containers. Variety of tomatoes. Our favorite variety is from a company called Totally Tomatoes in Wisconsin. It's called Little Red Robin. And that's actually the variety that they grow on the International Space Station. They taste great. They grow really well. They're prolific. I think that's a phenomenal plant for indoor gardening in the winters if you want fresh tomatoes. So right now I've been successfully growing cucumbers. You do need to use Parthenocarpic cucumbers so that they don't require pollination. I've probably tried 25 varieties of cucumbers over the last 2, 3, 4 years. There's one called coir, and it produces really well. They taste great. They're sort of long, skinny cucumbers, but very much like the kind that you would buy in the store. We keep experimenting. We keep looking for new ways of growing. We love educating those that would like to do this all year long, but lighting is the magic. And it's the magic that we want to teach you how to do, because it is doable. If you're interested in learning more about lighting, we have a lot more information linked here. I can't stress enough how important lighting is, and getting a little bit of an in-depth understanding of that will really help you be successful in your indoor gardening endeavors.